I got the Jordans in a 2C. I got two 7Ys. I got one size 8 and one size 12 and a half. And size 12 is still pending. So I don't know. We'll see if I struck out or if I got lucky on the pairs that's still pending. So I guess I'll let you guys know the next time.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm at finish line. About to cop these Air Jordan 11s for my niece. And it's a mess, to be honest. Alright, so just got the champs, picking up the second pair for her. Let's see what they got for us.
The men's size or kid
Alright, so it looks like I got lucky on a few pairs. And it also looks like we got some unboxing to do. Let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, I guess I'll start off with the pairs that I was able to secure in store. I was able to get this size 8 at Champs. Size label reads black, true, red, white, Air Jordan 11 Retro, suggested retail $220. Comes with the Air Jordan 11 card, which just basically has a statement on it that reads, Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes.
Money's gotta be the shoes! 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 Shoes!
So, they basically re-retro these shoes and try to make them as close as possible to the 1996 version, I believe. I've never had a 1996 version, so I can't tell you if, you know, they're as close as to what the originals were, but, you know, having had pairs in the past from 2012, 2008, and 2001, I can definitely tell you that, you know, this pair obviously is, you know, in its glory and brand new and fresh, and you know they gave it a nice retro look and tried to get as much of the original shoe as possible. Higher cut patent leather. I've heard that the leather on it isn't the same as the OGs. This leather is a little bit cheaper, but I've also heard that the toe box is different in the sense that these right here kind of stick out more on the OG, and they don't stick out as much on the 2019 pair. I've also heard that the carbon fiber has a different feel to it on the OG, and also a different color, slightly grayish. This is more white. So this is a size 8. I was able to get it at Champs. I was able to secure it for my wife. And she was really happy about it as well because it's her first pair of Jordans. And I think when she was able to get it, or when they came out the first she wasn't able to get it, and I'm happy to have been able to get her her first pair. So here's to you, baby. Love you. Merry Christmas. So yeah, size 8. The size 7Y I actually gave away to my niece. So she already has that pair. It's probably under her Christmas tree. Her first pair of Jordans, which I was really excited to get her this year for Christmas. I have a little clip of her unboxing them, and I'll put that at the end of this video. Alright, so to move on, the next pair I'll unbox is the infant pair. I was able to get this on the sneakers app, and 2C. I think it's the smallest you can get. So, got your Nike receipt, and got your infant pair. Alright, so as you can see, this is a Jordan 11 Retro Toddler and a 2C. Hopefully the camera will focus on that. Oh, these are so cute. So this is, I guess, for the baby, or a baby. My wife and I aren't expecting yet, but definitely something I will be keeping on ice for a little me or her. So happy I was able to get these. These are so freaking cute, man. Oh my god, look at this tiny shoe. It's like fits in my palm. Isn't that cute? Alright, so toddler pair. It comes with a little sticker on the inside, as usual, as most kids' pairs do. Here's the other pair. I'll take out both pairs to show you. Both of them like fit in my hand. Look at that. It's so cute. Alright, so we got our toddler pair. Alright, next up. I believe this is a size 12. See? Wow. Really surprised, Nike. You didn't even send me a return label for this size 12, but okay. Same old thing. Bred 11s. So I probably won't keep this pair. I'll probably sell it and bring it to StockX because I feel like a 12.5 will fit me better. Alright, so on to the next one. This is a size 12.5, I believe. This is the pair that my wife was able to get for me on her app, on her sneakers app. I kind of hope this is the pair that
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is the first time Air Jordan has ever sent me something like this. Congrats on being the owner of the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Cannot make this up. They usually send like a sticker kind of thing. Anyways, so here is the Air Jordan 11. Oh, I guess that's how they're doing this. They're just putting a piece of paper in my pair. It's so weird. Look at this. I can't make this up. Air Jordan 11 Retro, black, true red, white. Suggested retail $220, size 12.5. This pair was straight from the sneakers app. I was so surprised I got lucky because you know size 12s are so rare. All right, so here goes the 12.5. It's a pretty big box, obviously, for a pretty big shoe. So 12.5, this would potentially be my pair. Again, same pretty much details as all the other pairs. It comes with the Air Jordan 11 card. Both pairs seem to be on point. Jordan brand, you have definitely got it right this year. I definitely feel like, you know, this was easy for people to get. I did have to wait online for a little while at Finish Line. Champs was pretty quick. Shout out to everybody at Champs and shout out to everybody at Finish Line. You guys helping me out. And, you know, although at Finish Line it was a little bit crazy, I was able to get through pretty quick and get my pair for my niece. So that was pretty awesome. Yeah, just looking at these. Pretty good, right? Alright, so these definitely will go up as people wear their pairs. And yeah. So pretty happy that I was able to cop. Let me know in the comments if you were able to cop. Hope you guys were able to get lucky as well and get a pair for yourself or a loved one, or, you know, for the whole entire family. Like I said, let me know again in the comments what you guys think about this 2019 pair. Is it close to the OG or not? You know, do you think these will go up in resale value? You know, if you were able to cop an extra pair, are you gonna keep it on ice or are you gonna sell it? Just let me know. I love to chop it up in the comments. I love to have, you know, conversations about, you know, sneakers and just, you know, the design and you know, the story behind it, and of course the resale value, and you know, just your story on how you were able to cop. So like I said, leave it down in the comments. I'll be sure to reply as soon as I can and chop it up with you. So, and if you made it to the end of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Can't tell you how much that helps and how much I appreciate it when you guys leave your comments down below. I love to be able to engage with everybody on, you know, topics like this about sneakers and just, you know, anything, you know, sports, movies, TV shows, clothing, fashion, tech. I'm gonna end this unboxing / live cop with a little on foot so you guys can get a taste of, you know, basically what you can wear with these, and just to see what they look like on feet. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time. Peace.
They're pretty. Oh my gosh.
You hope you like them.
Really nice, fella.